500 watts electric floor mat, heat any floor, even spaces without central heat invisible. Fits under any area or carpet. Lower your central heating settings. Ideal for anyone playing, sitting, or sleeping on a floor. Senior citizens, even pets. Safe to operate. Assembled in Seattle. Warm your woo. The Woo Warmer electric radiant heating pad fits under any area, rug, or carpet in your home, giving you heat wherever and whenever you need it. Your Woo Warmer plugs into any standard wall outlet and is 100% safe to operate. The Woo Warmer offers mild electric radiant floor heat for a fraction of the cost of conventional installed systems or air-driven space heaters. To use the Woo Warmer, just cover it with any rug or carpet and plug it in. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This product is ideal for anyone who complains of cold floors and feet. Perfect for anyone who plays or sleeps on a floor, including futon owners, infant children who crawl, or video game players. Use under tables, recliners, baby cribs, office desks, work tables, pet beds, anywhere you need floor heat. No carbon dioxide fumes. Ideal for campers in an unheated cabin. If you need instant and portable heat, the Woo Warmer can keep you toasty this winter. Woo Warmer can be a year-round floor warmer for those cooler climates. 1-year warranty replacement. Note: an anti-skid mat under the Woo Warmer increases its effectiveness, not included. Surface temperature. Reflects measurements at room temperature of 60 degrees Fahrenheit with the hot carpet spread over flooring and subjected to a load of 6.5 pounds. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Heated warm floors. Now you can create a warm zone on your floor anywhere. Your central heat will warm your air but not warm your floor. Just slip your Woo Warmer under your favorite area rug. Number 2. Create under desk warm zone. Finding personal warmth for your feet when central heat is far from your workspace, just place it under your desk and feel the heat slowly rise to warm your toes. Number 3. Under rug heater. Your Woo Warmer plugs into any standard wall outlet and includes an auto shut-off after 6 hours. Our heater offers mild electric radiant floor heat for a fraction of the cost of conventional installed systems. To use the Woo Warmer, just cover it with any rug or carpet and plug it in. Number 4. Heated basements, bathrooms, and offices, up to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. The Woo Warmer is a versatile floor warmer that is a universal answer to spaces such as cold basements, floors, large bathrooms, and frigid offices with escaping heat. For all walks of life, the Woo Warmer is perfect for anyone playing, sitting, or sleeping on a floor. Ideal for sitting on the floor, toddlers playing on the floor, senior citizens, and even pets. Number 5. 1-year warranty. Assembled in Seattle, Washington, our product has been tested for quality and usability. Number 6. Woo Warmer works best when you are sitting or laying on it for relaxing in the evening. It is a great way to bring the family together. Even your pets will all be warm and cozy lounging around on movie night. Number 7. Note: Woo Warmer will not warm all surfaces equally hard. Uninsulated surfaces will dissipate heat like concrete floors, ceramic tiles, hardwood floors, etc. Could perform as much as 20 degrees below the factory setting of 115 degrees Fahrenheit. An insulating pad must is recommended to ensure peak performance. If the surface is slick and slippery, you must use an anti-skid pad. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.